OnePlus 13 runs on the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip with a 6.82-inch BOE-X2 OLED display. The LTPO panel supports 1440p resolution, ensuring excellent visibility. This model offers a 50-megapixel Hasselblad camera trio with OIS, a 3x periscope lens for zoom, and a 15mm ultrawide with macro capabilities. Featuring IP69 protection against high-pressure liquids and steam, silicon-carbon battery with 100 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging for fast, lasting power. Experience lightning-fast performance with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This powerhouse chip ensures seamless multitasking and gaming, elevating your mobile experience to unprecedented heights. Stay cool under pressure with Honor's 3D cooling system. Its 5,514mm VC heatsink and graphite elements efficiently dissipate heat, maintaining optimal performance during intense gaming sessions. Never be tethered to an outlet with 100-watt wired charging. Power up your 5,300 mAh battery in record time, ensuring you're always ready to go, whether for work or play. OnePlus 13 versus Honor GT. The OnePlus 13 stands tall at 162.9mm, slightly longer than the Honor GT at 161mm, giving it a more substantial feel in hand, perfect for those who appreciate a larger device. Weighing in at 210 grams, the OnePlus 13 is a bit heftier compared to the Honor GT's 196 grams, which might appeal to users looking for a lighter option without compromising on features. The OnePlus 13 boasts a larger 6.82 inches display, compared to the Honor GT's 6.7 inches, offering a more immersive viewing experience for media consumption and gaming. With a triple camera setup, the OnePlus 13 features a remarkable 50-megapixel wide lens, complemented by another 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, offering 3x optical zoom, ensuring stunning detail and clarity in every shot. In contrast, the Honor GT also has a 15:2 wide lens, but lacks the versatility of the OnePlus's telephoto capabilities. OnePlus 13 offers a variety of configurations, including an impressive 1TB option with 24GB RAM, making it a powerhouse for multitasking. The Honor GT, while also offering 1TB, maxes out at 16GB RAM, which could be a limiting factor for heavy users. The OnePlus 13 excels with a resolution of 1440 by 368 pixels, providing sharper visuals compared to the Honor GT's 1200 by 2664 pixels, making it ideal for high-definition content. Powered by the cutting-edge Snapdragon 8 Elite, the OnePlus 13 promises peak performance with its 3nm architecture, while the Honor GT runs on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 at 4nm, still impressive, but a step behind in raw power. The OnePlus 13 packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery, outlasting the Honor GT's 5,300 mAh, ensuring you stay powered through your busiest days without a hitch. The OnePlus 13 shines with a 32-megapixel selfie camera, delivering crisp and detailed self-portraits, while the Honor GT's 16-megapixel front camera, although decent, cannot match the clarity of its rival. The OnePlus 13 is IP68, IP69 rated, offering superior dust and water resistance compared to the Honor GT's IP65, making it a better choice for those who lead an active lifestyle. In the chipset arena, the OnePlus 13 Snapdragon 8 Elite 3nm is designed for efficiency and performance, while the Honor GT's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm is still formidable but less advanced. With its LTPO AMOLED display, the OnePlus 13 offers vibrant colors and a fluid 120Hz refresh rate, while the Honor GT's AMOLED display is also impressive, but slightly less bright at peak levels. The OnePlus 13 features advanced eye protection technology and an always-on display, enhancing usability and comfort during prolonged use. Whereas the Honor GT offers good eye protection, but lacks some of the advanced features. The OnePlus 13 supports 8K video recording, capturing moments in breathtaking detail, while the Honor GT maxes out at 4K, which is still excellent but less versatile for high-resolution content creators. The OnePlus 13 includes a range of smart features like an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and AI enhancements, offering a premium user experience, while the Honor GT focuses on gaming optimizations and intelligent assistance, catering to a different audience. The OnePlus 13 is priced between $600 to $900, reflecting its premium features, while the Honor GT is more budget-friendly at $350 to $500, making it an attractive option for those looking for value without sacrificing performance.